Alright guys, we're live for the 2-box break, last 2 boxes of the case, 2015 Bowman Draft. Thanks for filling it up. Got the list here beside me, also got the list up next to the screen. Good luck everybody. If you can't pull something nice. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's do it. Let's do it. First box, guys. Good luck. No longer new.
Super Bowl 50. Better ingredients, better pizza, better football.
Oh, hold on a second.
The country never stop.
Put an answer message.
US Army. We train, adapt, and get smarter. Every soldier, every unit, every day. Not to keep up with change, but to drive it. Nobody knows what problems tomorrow will bring. But we do know who will solve them.
Hold on a second, guys. I'll let my dad know real quick.
Tonight, following the game, it's Sports Center at night right here. John Butcher and Steve Levy, NBA and NHL highlights. Put the latest from Super Bowl 50 on the eve of the big game here in the Bay Area. Sports Center at night coming up next on ESPN. They are getting ready.
I'll give my dad a second, see if he wants to watch.
Terrific game. It is tied right now. And it's Golden State trying to keep their perfect home record alive. They're 22-0 this season. Here at Oracle, they've won 40 consecutive home games going back to last season. That's tied for the second longest home win streak in NBA history. But it's in some danger right now.
Let's just stare at it for 5 minutes.
Westbrook goes at Barnes, pulls back, falling away, shot, won't go, Green the rebound.
Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Good luck. First shot.
Aw, dang it.
Richie Martin refractor. Carson Fuller insert. White Sox. Tyler G'day. Ooh, we got a printing plate. 1 of 1. Who is it? New York Mets. Thomas Sapuki. New York Mets. Jared. Bonus money. Bonus money, Jared. Cool deal. Nothing wrong with the bonus. And base. Oh gosh. Thompson just hit a 3. It's not one, it's the other. What's the score?
110, 104.
Ah, they're pulling away now. Swanson paper. Hunter Harvey, sky blue for the Orioles. Jared. That's a weird picture, man. You see this, like, ghost in the background? If you look at it from a different angle, it almost looks like you can't see the guy, but he's there. Weird. Blake Snell. Josh Bell Chrome. And base. I seen the picture and I was like, That's kind of weird. It's like he's there, but he's not there. Strange. Strange, I'm telling you. Scouts insert Jorge Alfaro, Phillies. Eric Jenkins, refractor. Nick Howard, refractor. Oh, first auto, Donnie DeWiss, Chicago Cubs. James Blow, refractor auto. Chicago, James Blow. Double D. Nothing wrong with Double D. Nice hit, man. And base. Base, we got a green. Kevin Kammer, Sky Blue, Grant Hawken, Alex Robinson, refractor, and the green, Jack Winkup, Rockies, Jared. Bonus money. Number to 99. Bonus. And base. Nice centering. What you talking about? Looks good to me. No, it is a little bit, but
Under 12, 106.
you guys are killing me. Josh Stramont, refractor. DJ Peterson, refractor. Eric Jenkins, auto, Texas Rangers.
So far, but signed.
Dennis Phillips. Dennis Phillips. Now that's nice centering.
The same card, but signed.
A little off-centered on that one there.
So in fact, these cards are crazy. Because that's the same card, but signed.
Texas Rangers, Dennis Phillips. Draft insert and base.
This is Shea. That's not enough glare. This is shielded with lubrication here and here. The new Gillette with Pro Shield.
Scouts insert Lucas Giolito, Nationals. JP Crawford, refractor. Kyle Zimmer, refractor.
Best a man can get. And one Pro Shield refill gets you up to 1 month of shaves. At Burger King.
And base.
It's $1.49. Wait, the 10 Nugget seal is back again? $1.49 for 10 nuggets. Sweet. They're crispy and golden on the outside, made with white meat on the inside. Enjoy.
Absolute horrible. I believe it. I believe it. 100% believe it. I got a purple.
Midnight Romance, the women's fragrances by Ralph Lauren. At Macy's, your fragrance.
Base. Demi or Moyle, refractor. Ronaldo Lopez, refractor. John Harris Green for Toronto.
Blue Jays.
Brandon McCain.
Like you want.
Number to 250.
Like you want Blue Jays.
Brandon McCain, 250.
Like you want Blue Jays.
And base.
Man, get back here. Yeah, blue.
Andrew Moore, refractor. Justin Cohen, sky blue. Marlins. Greg Pickett, refractor. And base. Jeez, Curry just keeps on draining everything. Curry's a beast. Base. Scouts insert Thomas Esselman. Cody Petit, refractor. Joe McCarthy, refractor. Eric Fede, Scouts insert. And base. Right? You would think they'd be able to center cut those no problem. Especially as big as grading is now. With as big as grading is, I can't believe it. It's unacceptable. Benton Moss, refractor. Hunter Harvey, refractor. And Nathan Kirby, refractor, auto.
Hey, Gray.
Milwaukee Brewers.
Hey, Gray.
James. Nathan Kirby. Refractor, auto. 40th overall, first round.
46 and 4 now.
Round 1, 40th overall. Luis Ortiz, gray paper to $4.99 for the Rangers. Dennis. And base. Kevin Durant scores 40, Westbrook 27, and Golden State still wins.
Blue, sky blue.
We've got Drew Finley, refractor, sky blue, Kyle Crick. Justin Cohen, refractor. Rogers, Scouts insert, or draft day, sorry. And base. Oh, look who finally decided to show up. Just couldn't stay away. Dylan Tate, Scouts insert. Chris Betts, refractor. Ryan Clark, refractor. And base. Box 1 down. Box 2 to go. You alright? Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Empty box. Here we go. After the races. We got green. Does it have ink? Chase Ingram. I'm going to sweat it out with you guys. Jordy Laura. Mariners. And it does not have ink. David Dahl. Colorado Rockies. Green to 99. Jared strikes again. Courtney Hawkins.
They did, and what you're looking to see from Oklahoma City is, can they involve anybody other than Westbrook that can ran down the stretch? And they did that. They did a great job earlier in the game, using their big Westbrook foul guys.
That's back.
Difficult shots, which we know they can make, but that's not the point when you're playing against the Warriors. Meanwhile, what are the Warriors doing?
Blue. Does it have ink?
Skybolt. That's a pretty sweet name. Skybolt for the A's. Refractor. Cornelius Randolph. Sky Blue for the Phillies. That's a nice one. Tim Myers. Jake Cronworth. Refractor. And base. Just not the main pot. Jared says he's got enough bonus. Now he needs the main. Bowman Scouts Thomas Eshelman. Desmond Lindsay. Brian Mundell. AB. Draft dividends insert. And base. I know, I saw it. I just seen it a second ago. Huh, nice card. 7 of 10. Not bad. Nice pickup. Pretty sweet looking card that you accidentally won.
I mean, I thought there was a combination at times tonight of the Globetrotters and Magic Showtime because they're just moving, and even when the shot doesn't go in, it's the right play, it's the right shot, it's the motion away from the basket.
Cam Gibson refractor.
It's a beautiful thing to watch.
Richie Martin, Matt Olson insert. Spencer Adams refractor. Derek Hill gray paper. Detroit. Brandon. Nice. You can hear Pedroia calling your name. Not yet. Nice.
Chance for Sky Blue. Give us a chance for Sky Blue.
Tanner Rainey, refractor. Zach Irwin, Sky Blue, White Sox. Bradley Zimmer, refractor. And base.
units are holding or not giving up too much. They increase leads. How many years have we been watching Leandro Barbosa, and he's still out there making threes and making contributions to the fourth single dial up and most fates. And so they've got this depth. And Oklahoma City's going to have to find that, but they're going to have to trust it.
Jorge Alfaro, Scouts insert. Mark Matthias, refractor. Darnell Robertson, refractor. And James Capillion, New York Yankees.
Our first auto.
James Capillion for the Yankees.
It was a great night. Jay-Z, Beyonce were here. She just dropped a new song today, Beyonce. I know.
16th overall.
You know it's a big deal.
Congratulations, Brandon.
As the Warriors go to 46-4. And we'll also talk about the Super Bowl coming up March 11th. Our members are also here.
And base.
Live with Sports Center on the road as the Golden State Warriors. And just roll whatever you have there.
Last set, guys. Good luck. Still got 2 more autos. And whatever color comes out. DJ Stewart, refractor. Lucas Williams.
A purple.
Roman Quinn, refractor. Carson Fulmer, purple. Chicago White Sox, Tim. It's a nice purple. Nice bonus money. Carson Fulmer to 250. Yeah, that's a good one, man. That's the one for White Sox.
The Warriors now are officially 1 game ahead of the Magic goal space in the 17th.
You're a huge White Sox fan, huh?
That's what we're going to do, right? We're going to schedule watch. And they've got, what, 2 more games to go to the season. And that Saturday game, we saw the Warriors won the last one. They won 6-1. That's right. And we don't know who Pop will play on the stretch.
Great.
No, we have no idea what's talking about.
Twist twice. Ooh, Red Sox.
You look at those games. So those the 7-game road trip and the games we're talking about, those 5 games, it's a 12-game package there. If they go 10-2, which is they're so capable.
Tyler Nevin, refractor. Rockies. Courtney Hawkins, refractor. White Sox. What do you know about this guy, Tim? Since you're a White Sox fan.
Take a look at it. And we do right. We get into that game. That's a win.
What do you know about him?
That's a win. Show me a loss, Booch. Pick out a loss. Win-win. The red games are not.
Tell me what you know. Nathan Kirby for the Brewers.
They've got really hot. They're in the 8th spot. They got a young, ambitious team that is not anywhere near as good as Golden State. But as you guys know, in the NHL and the NBA, the schedule can simply cost you a game. And that's
Milwaukee Brewers.
that's coming, I think, out of the All-Star break.
I think we already hit this guy.
Maybe they're a little happy with themselves coming out of the break, drop one. But there's not much there.
Yes, we did. That's the second one of this guy.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
Going to James.
That's cool, right, Dad? Cool.
In August, but there was plenty to get up for this one. They knew they could push and tested, and they weren't answering.
About whether people or not he cares about this. He said, I don't know what the rest of the boys are banned, but I like this. And Draymond Green, you have a chance in a little bit.
And he chimes in.
And just ask, how much do you care about this? Again, Draymond Green's been very candid about it. And I think
Base.
caring is critical. If they don't want
Lucas Giolito again.
teams and famous players who didn't really want
Thomas Eshelman, refractor. Cole Stewart, refractor. Chris Anderson, insert. And base. Got a blue. Maybe it'll be blue with ink. One can only hope.
They've got much more experience in their years to suggest. My guess
Killing me.
they want to do this. But they're fired up for it.
Tyler Stevenson refractor. Justin Jacome refractor. DJ Stewart. Orioles. Jared.
Wait, you already did this person.
Jared.
You actually already.
How different is a game like this tonight? We're just talking about the dog days, middle of the season can be difficult. Maybe not.
Paper blue of Garrett Whitley
How different is this Super Bowl Saturday?
to 150 for Rays. Troy.
There's a lot of excitement in this in the building, but we haven't seen this team before. This is a team that we're probably going to see down the road. So, first time meeting them, one definitely make a statement. We're talking about, of course, this is where change. Give it to him.
Hand base.
I asked Jay Green a couple weeks ago, and he said he enjoyed that.
2 packs left, guys. Now. Come on, man. Talk right. It ain't that late. Aaron Judge refractor. Andrew Suarez sky blue. Trey Supak. Ash Russell draft dividends. And last but not least, last pack. Good luck, everybody. Where's the super factor? And the search is going to have to continue for a super. Killing me. Dylan Tate Scouts insert. Kevin Newman refractor. Franklin Barreto refractor. John Harris draft dividends. And base. Hit recap real quick. I know, man. Tampa Bay blue paper to 150. DJ Stewart Orioles auto. Nathan Kirby Brewers auto. Carson Fulmer purple. James Capillion Yankees auto. Gray paper Derek Hill. David Dahl green. Chrome. Gray paper Luis Ortiz. Nathan Kirby refractor. John Harris purple. Eric Jenkins Rangers. Jack Winkup Rockies. Donnie DeWitt Cubs refractor. And 101 printing plate. New York Mets Thomas Sapuki. And that's it, guys. That's all the draft. That's all the draft there's ever going to be. Thanks again, guys, for filling it up. I'm going to stop it and send it. Stop the video and send it off to YouTube.